Build OS Android v7.1.1 Nougat. UI Fun Touch OS 3.2. Dimensions 165.3 by 80.1 by 7.5 mm. Weight 181 grams. SIM hybrid dual SIM, dual standby, nano SIM. Colors matte black, gold, rose gold. Frequency 2G band SIM1, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. 3G band STPA 850, 900, 1900, 2100. 4G band LTE band 1 2100, 2 1900, 3 1800, 4 1700, 2100, 5 850, 7 2600, 8 900, 12 700, 17 700, 34 2000, 38 2600, 39 1900, 40 2300, 41 2500. Processor CPU octa-core, 4x2.2 GHz Cryo 260 plus 4x1.8 GHz Cryo 260. Chipset Qualcomm MSM8956 plus Snapdragon 660. Display technology Super Amoled capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors, multi-touch. Size 6.4 inches. Resolution 1080 by 2160 pixels, 376 ppi. Memory built-in 64 GB built-in, 4 GB RAM. Card microSD card, supports up to 256 GB, uses SIM2 slot. Camera main dual 12MP plus 5MP, f/18, autofocus, LED flash. Features geotagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR, panorama, video, 1080p at 30 fps. Front 12MP, f/2.0. Connectivity LAN Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/NAC, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot. Bluetooth v5.0 with a 2DP, LA. GPS yes plus a GPS support. USB microSD 2.0, USB on the go. NFC no. Data GPRS, Edge, 3G HSPA, 4G LTE. Features sensors accelerometer, compass, fingerprint, under display, proximity. Audio 3.5mm audio jack, 32-bit/192 kHz audio, MP4/H.264 player, MP3/WAV/EAC+/FLAC player, speakerphone. Browser HTML5. Messaging SMS threaded view, MMS, email, push mail, Games built-in plus downloadable. Torch yes. Extra active noise cancellation with dedicated mic, document viewer, photo, video editor. Battery capacity, Li-ion non-removable, 3900 mAh. Fast battery charging 5V/4.5A.